Hello, my name is Amalia Gonzalez, and today we will do an experiment to see the percent of water in hydrated salt. In our experiment today, we'll be using the frying pan as a crisol. We have water and we have salt, and we want to dilute the salt in the water. We are going to heat now the frying pan as a crisol. Remember that we're using the frying pan as a crisol. We put our weight in grams, and now we use the frying pan, and we want to get the mass of the frying pan by itself. The frying pan by itself weighs 176 grams. So we put the two substances together, and we want to weigh. And it weighs 202 grams. This is the process at the beginning of heating the salt and the water. And we're going to see how the process of evaporation is going down. The water is leaving the salt. Now we're gonna leave it a few minutes to see the process of how the water is evaporating. And finally, the water evaporates completely. After we let it cool for a few minutes, we want to weigh it again to see now the mass of the anhydrate. And now the mass of the anhydrate is 186 grams. Okay, and now we want to do the calculations for the percent water in hydrated salt. This is our data. The weight of the empty frying pan is 176 grams. Weight of frying pan plus hydrate is 202 grams. And the weight of frying pan plus anhydrous is 186 grams. And now we want to calculate the mass of hydrate. That is equal the weight of frying pan plus hydrate minus weight of empty frying pan. That is 202 minus 176. That gives you 26 grams of mass of hydrate. Later, we want to calculate the mass of water lost. That is the weight of the frying pan plus the hydrate minus weight of frying pan plus the anhydrous. That gives you 202 minus 186 equals 16 grams of the mass of water lost. And the final conclusion, that is what we want to get. And now, to find the percent of water loss in our experiment, we have the mass of the water loss that we calculated here divided by the mass of the hydrate, which we calculated here. And it gives you 16 grams divided by 26 grams times 100% gives you 61.53% of water loss in our experiment. Thank you.